This video will show you how to get started on Animate a Name. First thing you need to do is go to the Novak Elementary Library page, scroll down to the coding section, and go to Hour of Code 2019. Scroll down until you find the Animate a Name activity. Click Start. Watch the video, and then click on Starter Project. Before you begin, please join Scratch. If you already have an account, you may use that. I want you to use your Linmar username and password that you use to sign into your computer. I'm using something different because I'm a teacher. Once you get signed in, you need to click on the File folder, go to New Project, and then name your file right here. I'm going to call mine Animate Cindy, and go to File and click Save Now. Then I want to separate the two pages that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use this tab and this tab. So I can get rid of these. To separate these two pages, you have to drag down on the tab. And then you can grab on the gray, drag it to the side. And now I can see both pages. It's important that you do this because down below here are all of the videos that teach you how to animate your name. The first step is to go over and get a sprite. Click on the mouse or the cat. Scroll down till you get to the letters. If I was going to do Cindy, I'd want to choose the C. And now I go over here and I watch a video. If I want to make it bounce everywhere, I watch this video and then I click over here and I can do my work. If I need to watch the video again, I can. And that's what you do until you're finished. It will save automatically as long as you have joined Scratch. So it's very important that you do that first. If you have any questions, let me know. Have fun.